Hey guys, I am Munmun, founder of Soulmates, and today I embark on a new journey with all of you. I am a food lover, a food connoisseur, a owner, and a travel enthusiast. For long, a lot of my friends have been telling me, why don't you try to write or do video blogs and actually bring it out, reach out to people, since you know so much and since you travel so much. And I took this right opportunity to start this new journey. And as we start this journey, I am today going out to try this new outlet, and being the 13th of August, and it's a Friday. 13th and Friday spells horror, and I thought let's try something to do with Bhoot, and we'll be there very soon. Hold on guys, we'll just take you, and it's a surprise venue. It's a new location, a new restaurant, and I am sure I've heard rave reviews about this location, and once we go there I'll take you through what we have in store for us. Stay tuned guys, we have reached our destination and I'll be taking you and unboxing the surprise. We are at Sector 5 Salt Lake, and just if you can see, I'll just turn the camera for you, and we are at Sector 5 beside Infinity Tower, and that's the CTS office. And with me, my friend Arunima, she's on her way, she'll be joining me. So we are going in for a sumptuous slam, and without much ado, I'll tell you the location. But hold on. And as you see, as I walk down, this is on the main road. This is the SDF crossing in front of me. Yes, that's the SDF crossing. On my left is the Infinity building, as I've just told you. On the right is the Cognizant Tower. And let's hold on. Let's see where we are heading to. And yes, we have just about reached the location. That's Nalban in front of me, and the surprise unfolds for all of you. And here we are in front of Bhuter Raja Dilo Gor. Bhuture, I told you about, is the 13th of August, a Friday, and here we are celebrating Bengali food at its best at Bhuter Raja Dilo Gor. And the minarets you see, okay, and I see a Ilish Mach. The minarets represent the palace. As I wait for my friend Arunima to join me, I thought of taking a tour around and also take you through. Bhuter Raja Dilo Gor is very, very close to my heart, and I'm sure, like all Bengalis, it would be very, very close to each one of our heart, because it's linked to Satyajit Ray, the film maestro, and his stories were something which we literally grew up on. My childhood days, summer vacations, I was in a convent school, so I had longish summer vacations, and through the summer vacation, my parents used to be like waiting for the afternoon time, wherein I would sit quiet and watch the Chuti Chuti program, which used to air in the Doordarshan channel. And during this course of time, what I used to love watching was all the movies of Satyajit Ray, and especially Bhuter Raja Dilo Gor, as in Bhupi Gain Bhagabhai and Hirok Raja. We can see the beautiful utilization by the artisans of the the korai. যে কড়াইতে আমরা রান্না করি, কি সুন্দরভাবে ওটা ইউজ করেছে অ্যাজ ল্যাম্প হোল্ডার্স। অ্যান্ড দেন there is this beautiful painting. It is very, very in details. If you see, I'll just kind of show you, and it's very nicely done. There's a lot of bamboo work, and yes, there are a lot of fishes around. I just told you we saw a Ilish Utsav which is happening, and I assume that these are ilish mach which is floating around, telling us we are waiting to be served. This is very beautiful and is very colorful. If you see, this is done very nicely. And yes, bashbon. Ke bhulte pare bashboner kotha? The bashbon and the Bhuter Raja Dilo Bor, where Gopika and Bhagabain actually meets Bhuter Raja and gets the 3 boons, tinte blessing, which actually changes their life, and just not their lives, but in the second part where we see Hirok Raja Deshe, we also see that it changes lives of many people. There's the beautiful depiction of Hirok Raja Desher different facets of the storyline, wherein people speak about the social oppression of how people are deprived of certain fundamental rights, and how people actually freed from that by saying dori dhore maro tan raja hobe khan khan, and that's what is beautifully depicted. I am a food connoisseur and love traveling. And today we are at the right place because Gupi Baka Dilo Bor had these 2 bor. Joto ichha ghora, joto ichha khawa. So I start this journey rightly at the right. My friend Arunima is here, so yeah, just hey, hi. Now that my friend Arunima is here and I am very hungry, তুমি দেরি করে এসছো, I've been waiting for her for long now. So let us take a look at the menu and decide what do you want to order, and we'll order because সত্যি খুব খিদে পেয়েছে. The menu is here, so let's see what all are there. Yes, there's a scan code also, so we can actually scan. In this COVID times, scan করে without touching the menu. প্রতি পদে মাতৃত্বের ছোঁয়া, ক্রিয়েটিভ মেনুটা দেখো, খুব সুন্দর. So this is fish fry, বাসা ভেটকি আছে, লুচি আছে, নারকেল দিয়ে ছোলার ডাল, আলুর দম, গন্ধরাজ চিকেন, চিতল মাছের মুইটা ভাজা, পমফ্রেট মাছ ভাজা. So this is about the starters. আরও অনেক রকম আছে ভাজাভুজি, আলু ভাজা, বেগুন ভাজা. In the non-veg section, তোপসে মাছ ভাজা, মৌরলা মাছ ভাজা, ইলিশ মাছ ভাজা, different kind of rice, ghee bhat, pulao, rio dal. We have niramish torkari, the vegetarian fare, and I must tell you, to all the non-vegetarian people, that Bengali food, the Bengali vegetarian is very tasty, and to all the people who do not actually come to Bengali eateries, bhabe je shudui mach mangsho pawa jay, for them there's a lot of kind of food like mochar ghonto, dhokar dalna, gach pathar dalna, which is basically jackfruit, and these are very yummy, and these are in itself a heritage food which is very much associated with Bengal culture, I would say. So please come and try all these things. Then you have the পদ্মা পাড়ের ইলিশ ভাপা, পাবদা ঝাল সর্ষে, গন্ধরাজ ভেটকি পাতুরি, শুনেই কিন্তু খিদে পাচ্ছে. পমফ্রেট ঝাল, কচু পাতা চিংড়ি. I think we should try this, it's highly recommended. And yes, why I say is that I actually ordered this particular dish on Zomato, and it tasted yummy. And then there is mutton, chicken, chutney, papor, dessert, and the best waits for the end, that is the Bhuter thali. So there are Mohaboj thali, Gupit thali, Baghar thali, Horotokir thali, and the price points are very reasonable. Amlukir thali, the Mohaboj thali is at 899, Gupit thali 499, Baghar thali 530, and it serves a lot of food. Just take a look at Mohaboj thali would be a little too much for us. It has a lot of items. So what we'll do is we'll go with Gupit thali and Baghar thali. Is it okay with you? So Gupit thali and Baghar thali. Gupit thali has chingri malai curry and dhone pata chicken, and Baghar thali has mutton duck banglo and Gondhoraj murgi and also pabda mach. So we've got a combination. এটা হচ্ছে গুপির থালি। গুপির থালিতে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি শুক্তো, ডাল, বাসমতি চালের ভাত, এটা কাঁচা লঙ্কা, ঝুরি আলু ভাজা, মুরগি। This murgi we saw it was made with coriander, right? Dhania murgi chilo, and of course the king of fish, prawns. I think there are very few Bengalis that are, they don't salivate at the name of prawns. Prawn is a universal dish যেটা কিন্তু সবাই ভালোবাসে, and its speciality is this is prawn malai curry, which is cooked with coconut and milk, and it's there's a very subtle taste of elaichi in it, and this is one of the most delicious food which all Bengalis across the globe kind of die for. So I'll just take you once more through. So this is the shukto, the dal, the aloo bhaja, the chicken, the dhania chicken, and the prawn malai curry. Of course, the desserts, the payesh, the rasgulla, Kolkata rasgulla, and the papad and the chutney. So this is the Gupi thali, and the price was also very very moderate, and I think it's enough and more for individual. আমার সামনে রয়েছে বাঘা থালি। বাঘা থালিতে কি আছে দেখা যাক। So we have the Gondhoraj chicken, which are the starters. We have the basmati rice accompanied with Gondhoraj lebu and lonka. তার সাথে আছে হচ্ছে শুক্তো. This shukto is very special, as I have already mentioned that this is made with a bori, which is a speciality, and with drumstick, sweet potato and potatoes, followed by the moong dal, which is again accompanied with the churi aloo bhaja. We have the mutton duck banglo, royal and tasty, served with egg, and of course another very special fish of Bengal, the pabda mach, made in mustard paste. This is shorshe pabda. So I'll just take you round, and of course we also have the rasgulla, the papor, the chutney, and the payesh. And of course there goes the Gupi thali. So Bagha and Gupi, so they will join hands, and here goes our feast. So as I said, I'm ready to begin. প্রথমে শুক্তো খাচ্ছি, শুক্তোর পরে খাবো হচ্ছে ডাল, আলু ভাজা, and of course the Gondhoraj chicken. I love গন্ধ লেবু, তো ডালটা গন্ধ লেবু দিয়ে খেলে বেশি টেস্টটা খুব সুন্দর হয়। আর তারপরে obviously we will dig into the chicken, mutton, pabda mach, chingri mach, and all the feast which has been there for it. অসম্ভব ভালো, ভীষণ টেস্টি। আমি এখন both are sharing the thali, Gupi thali, Bagha thali. So I am into my dhania chicken. I am not generally a dhania chicken person, but this is yummy. This is very tasty, and the Gondhoraj chicken is very nice, soft, and obviously Gondhoraj is Bangu is looking at me. I'm sure it's just going to be something which I'm really looking forward to. আর obviously তারপরে মিষ্টি পায়েস চাটনি সেগুলো তো আছেই। And
ইলিশ মাছ ভাজা কাঁচা লঙ্কা দিয়ে তেল দিয়ে মেখে ভাত দিয়ে খেতে যে কি অসাধারণ টেস্ট। And this ইলিশ মাছ ভাজা is one of the best I had this season. বাংলাদেশি ইলিশ টেস্টই আলাদা, only available during the monsoon season. Come and do enjoy ইলিশ মাছ ভাজা and different kind of ইলিশ মাছ preparation at ভূতের রাজা দিল বর।
ভূতের রাজা দিল বরে আমি পেটটি ভরে খেয়েছি। The ambience was 10 on 10, the service was 9 on 10, and the food, the quantity was 10 on 10. The quality was 10 on 10. The taste, of course, there is always a scope of enhancement, and I would say that would be 8.5 on 10. আর আমার সব থেকে যেটা বেশি ভালো লেগেছে, I really love the গন্ধরাজ চিকেন, I love the ইলিশ মাছ, and the ইলিশ মাছ was yummy. এখানে একটা ইলিশ উৎসব চলছে, so do drop in and check out the festival. Leave a comment, click on the bell button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.